today I'm gonna do another Transformers review. I'm gonna review Transformers Dark of the Moon, MechTech Ratchet. Ratchet is a good toy. He got in a lot of movies. I got him back 2011, I think, or 12. And not that much I have to say. Oh yeah. And I have the gun, but it's in there, inside of my bucket of toys. And let's just go get transforming this thing in. First, what you want to do is, I don't know if you could see. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on my light. There. First what you want to do is, like, when you see this part, you just have, no, actually, these parts, you just have to take it apart like this, take it apart like that. Then get these thingies and then fold it down, like on the other side. Fold it down. I have like a gap right here. I think I missed this part. So then just wanna take out the legs. Hold on, first just unpeg that flap right there and take out the legs. Then twist it. Hold on. Oh no. Then I think you get the feet, twist it like that. Also the other one, just unflap, unpeg the flap like that. Then put it down. Then twist up. Then just twist the leg. Mine, I just did that one. So I just peg it in there again, like that, and then you twist the whole body part. Twist this part around. It's kind of hard. And then take this part, put it like that. Then take the part, take these parts, then fold it down. So make it look like that. After you take these parts, then up, and then again unfold the arms and then push the wheels back, then put that down, then put his arms down. And there you have Transformers Dark of the Moon MechTech Ratchet. he has light piping. Hold on. Yeah, because you can see right here, it's on the back of his head, it's green. So, what you want to do? Okay, it's very good light piping. I need a light. Man, who cares? It does do good light piping. I don't like how the backpack back here like sticking off, but it's okay. That doesn't really bother me. It's skinny at least. Doesn't hide affection. For movement, this goes like that, like that. You could twist it like that. Then also this one, you could do that. And you could bend the legs. And this goes up and down. I mean in and out. Then up and down. So I don't know. But twist the head 360 degrees. And that's pretty much it. Good detail. Doesn't have that much stuff. And thank you. I don't know. Oh yeah, I didn't mention the octopus symbol right here is very good. I like the detail. It's like it's red. I have to. It says. Hold on. I'm just gonna read it. It says search and rescue fire depth. So I'm gonna post more videos like the next day, then the next day, and then the next day. Oh, for size comparison, I'm bringing in. For size comparison, I brought in the Transformers Prime Beast Hunters, Uprising, I think, I don't know, Predacons, I don't know, so, this, I brought in this guy, I forgot his name, I got him for my birthday, 8th birthday. And you could see for size comparison, this guy, the dragon guy or whatever, he seems a lot bigger. So move him out of the way like that. And thanks for watching. And this is Laserbeak 512 rolling out.